Hello, and how are you? And if you are new here, welcome, and I hope you all enjoy watching my video. So let's get started. So this right here is what I use to put this right here. Put this into these little pieces. That's talking about right there. I think I measured this one. Yeah, I measured that. What? Okay, so I made a boo. I measured it to fit 2 instead of 3. These are short. Let's go right here.
You should start washing it, mama. It's really good. Like they trying to save the world. She know what happened. Like that's her cowgirl. She knows the future.
So I gotta cut these.
Like you see how she not listening to me, and you're not listening to me either.
If any of you have a boy, a teenager at that, any age, son, you know how annoying they can get. Mary, why you tell me it wasn't recording?
You know.
This is the second coat I'm getting ready to put on my board. I am gonna do this twice with all the pieces for my centerpiece. As you can see, one shade was not enough, so I decided to add 2. I did buy this acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree. They do have this in multiple colors, so if you are looking for some good paint, go to the Dollar Tree and buy it. It's only $1. This hair dryer came in handy, and I love using it now. I don't wait for anything to dry anymore. I'm just painting the small pieces the same color, and I'm also going to add 2 coats onto all the pieces so I can get the exact color for all of them. I came up with an idea to dye my gnome's hair pink. So I'm using some of the mop into this paint. You know, when you clean the brush, that's what I'm using. Water and paint mixture. Bam. So this is what the hair looked like after it has been rinsed. Bright pink color. Now it's time to put the pieces in place. And if y'all want to know the length, if you get the sign from the Dollar Tree, one of the signs you do not cut. And you know those signs are really long. So my centerpiece was huge. I like the fact that it was big because I do have a big dining room table. And I had to use something heavy so that the bottom part of the board would lay flat to where I can put the outside layers on. I was having a little trouble keeping the sides up straight, so I had to push my candle into it just for a little while to keep it until the glue dried. Same thing that I am doing with this centerpiece, I'm making one for Easter as well. And no, I'm not decorating for St. Patrick's Day or Mardi Gras. I was thinking I do need about 6 more of these signs so that I can make one also for the 4 for fall and for Christmas. So look out for those DIYs. They are coming soon. I had already knew how I wanted my centerpiece. I just needed to build a base for the hearts to stand up on. At first, I didn't know if I wanted just these plain hearts or the 3D look. So what I decided to do was use those cloth hearts from the Dollar Tree, and I used red, pink, and white hearts, as you will see here in the next clip. I'm just trying to get a look at what it would look like before I start gluing all the pieces together. And you will glue the wood onto the cloth to make it look fuller. This is the next step. You don't need a lot of this glue because this is a really good glue for the wood to stick to the cloth. And you just glue it to the board. And we're gonna do this with all of them and line them up. You will see here in a little bit in the next clip. This is what the side of my centerpiece looked like with the welcome. I'm just gonna do this side the same as the other side, and you will see me looking back and forth, seeing what do I have on this side. If you ever forget that easily like I do, then I know I am not alone with this. And if you decide to do this design, go on and glue your pieces together before you start placing them, and that will help out with the time. So right here, I decided to trim the heart down and it just looked ugly. So I had to take that off and replace it. I did miss a footage to where I was showing y'all what all I put off in my centerpiece. I put in Spanish moss, some green foams for the height of my flowers. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. This is the end result of the centerpiece. I really love it. It just need more flowers and maybe some more greenery. I don't know, I might just add more flowers, but if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for the next video. In the next clip, you will see the rest of the hearts I made into a garland, but I'm thinking about going back in and putting some greenery on the garland. You will see, maybe in the next video. And thank you all once again. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.